On that day, Thomas the Train and his friends were dreaming of becoming robots. Did their dreams come true?
What a lovely park today!
Let's take a walk and sing.
Rolling slow by the green park side, friends together enjoy the ride.
I wish we could transform into robots. I hear trouble from Car City. With spider legs? That's bad!
When danger calls, we'll stand up tall. Together we can save them all.
This could help us transform! Transformation complete! We can do this! That can do this! Fast tracks! Fast moves! Full speed ahead! Whoa! Protect the cars! Robots, now! Left side, together! It's losing balance!
Change and chose the right way through. Trains and robots saving you.
It's retreating! Retreating!
Car City is safe! Tracks feel good again.
From park to town, we save the day. Friends and courage lead the way.
Best adventure ever!
Hey!
Whatever we become, we stay friends.